This story will cover from then to now and next, all about change, how to turn losers into winners. Kenya's birds of prey are varied, versatile and very important to us. It's the African fish eagle, well equipped for fishing with hooks at one end and an efficient beak at the other. Plus superb eyesight. The call of the African fish eagle is as famous as the bird itself, as it's become a vital indicator about the health of its home, especially around Lake Naivasha. If there's something wrong with the lake, there could well be something also wrong with the kingfishers, cormorants and people, all part of the food web that connects fish with much else. The water from the lake is used by everyone for all sorts of things. Tilapia are good to eat. Or are they? Or are these children being poisoned somehow? The fish eagle might show the answers, as indeed may other birds of prey, depending on their food and where they live. And we ignore those warnings at our peril. Or perhaps from a flower farm. Chemicals. Eagle evidence, perhaps. So many questions for the detectives. This is not a good place to be, as a boy or as a bird. Poisons kill people. But it's the birds that could save us if we share their secrets. We look at many of Kenya's birds of prey as well as the famous fish eagle. From the smallest to the largest, the vultures, the formidable crowned eagle, and the amazing secretary bird, which tackles snakes, other fishermen too. Its eyesight is brilliant, watching everything that moves below, like other fishermen. With their ropes, nets, hooks, and traps. The osprey's equipment is built in, talons and hooked beaks for the job. But there's an even more super hunter. The fastest bird there is, the peregrine falcon. It can stoop at up to 200 miles an hour. A pigeon would not know what hit him. From dry forest to grasslands and roads, there's prey everywhere, if you know where and how to look. And now we've reached the biggest birds of prey in Kenya. The crowned eagle can take monkeys, even small antelopes. Amongst those biggest are the vultures, useful disposers of the dead, and now cleaning themselves up. But poisons put in their food is killing them off, so it's now become urgent to help them do their job across Kenya.